Hello guys, good morning. Kain po tayo ng mangga. Ito guys. Lata natin ito guys. Sarap. So yummy guys. Sobrang tamis. Bigay po ito sa akin ni Lingling guys. At tulo-tulo pa guys. Thank you Lord. Kain ako ng mangga. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Follow for more. Bye. God bless.